Hi guys, welcome back to Hagrishi Codes. I hope you are doing great. In the previous video, we learned about nested loop and understand how one loop can run inside another loop. Now it's time to use nested loop in a practical way by creating star patterns. Pattern printing is one of the most important topics for beginners because it helps improve your programming logics and is also frequently asked in coding interviews. So without wasting any time, let's get begin. What is pattern printing? Pattern printing means creating different shapes using stars, numbers, or symbols with the help of loops. Most pattern programs use nested loops. The outer loop decided the number of rows, while the inner loop decided how many characters or stars are printing in each row. So, example square star patterns first. For I in range 4, and then for j in range 4, and print star and then print. Okay, so let's understand this program carefully. The outer loop is for I in range 4. This means the loops runs 4 times, so our patterns will have 4 rows. Now look at the inner loop for j in range 4. This loops also run 4 times. Each time it runs, it prints one star. We use and equals to a string space because we want all 4 stars to stay on the same line. If we don't use and, every star would be printed on a new line. After the inner loop finish printing 4 stars, we use print. To move the cursor to the next line, the same process repeats 4 times, giving us a perfect square. So output will be this. Okay, so next example, right triangle pattern. Right triangle pattern. For I in range 1 comma 6, and then for j in range I, print a star and then print. Okay, now let's understand this example step by step. The outer loop starts from 1 and goes up to 5. So the program will create 5 rows. Now pay attention to the inner loop. Instead of writing a fixed number like range 4, we use range I. This means the number of stars depend on the current value of I. First iteration when I equals to 1, the inner loop becomes range 1. So it's run only one time and stars 1 star. So it runs only one time and prints 1 star. And the second iteration, now I equals to 2, the inner loop becomes range 2. So it runs 2 times and prints 2 stars, output 2 stars. For third iterations, now I equals to 3, the inner loop runs three times, so it prints 3 stars. Four iteration when I equals to 4, the loop prints 4 stars. Fifth iteration when I equals to 5, the loop prints 5 stars. Finally, the program end and the output will be this. So different between both patterns, square patterns and triangle patterns. So square pattern, same number of rows and columns. Inner loop has a fixed value, while triangle patterns, rows increase one by one. Inner loop depends on the outer loop variable. That's it. Okay, that's all for today's video. Today we learn how to create a square star patterns and a right triangle star patterns using nested loop. Practice this patterns yourself because they will help you build a strong programming logic. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to High Rishi Codes. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!